Spend the day with the XL Sniffer Dogs ahead of the Formula E weekend. The day starts with a patrol of the area where visitors will alight from the tube. This is some of our security team and Sniffer Dog Chaz. He's a 1-year-old Springer Spaniel, by the way. The team are also equipped with special life-saving medical packs, so they're ready for every eventuality. As you can see, no stone gets left unturned, including the flower beds. This dog is Ziggy, a 2-year-old Cocker Spaniel. Sometimes, Ziggy likes to shake, but it knocks the camera off. Next, the team head into the venue where visitors will arrive, and there's even time to play with a few of them. Then it's off down the venue's boulevard. Again, no stone is left unturned. Plus, their noses are up to 100,000 times more sensitive than ours. Finally, it's time for a quick check of the Formula E car itself, and it's off for a well-deserved rest.